Navigate from the main dashboard to the Settings panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the Store Settings section. From there, click on Floor Plans. Now on the Floor Plans page. To create a new plan, click the Add Floor Plans button. In the Session field, enter a name for your new floor plan. For this example, we will type First. Next, assign this floor plan to a specific store. We will choose Elite Mart. Now it's time to add your tables and seating arrangements. In the Table section, you can define each table and the number of chairs it has. Let's add our first table by typing 1 in the Table Name field and 4 in the Chairs field. We will continue this process for a few more tables. Once you have entered all the details for your new floor plan, click Submit button to save your changes. As you can see, the new floor plan first section is now listed. If you need to review or edit the plan, simply click on Session Name. Once you have entered all the details for your new floor plan, click Submit button to save your changes. And that's it! You have successfully added a new floor plan to your store's settings. Thanks for watching.